Hello everyone, my name is Ismael and I want to show you the application I made for the Moonbeam Connected Contract Hackathon, and the application is called Demooncracy. And Demooncracy is an application that tries to improve the on-chain governance for Moonbeam, Moonriver and Moonbase Alpha. And what Demooncracy does to improve it? So we have a discussion board where we can create discussions and create comments on these discussions, and we can see all the proposals that have been made on the three networks, Moonriver, Moonbeam, and Moonbase. Let's start by showing the discussions. So this is a test discussion to discuss any proposal. If you go in, we can comment the proposal that this author made. For example, let's connect our wallet because we need to use our wallet to authenticate to the application, and now we can create a comment. So for example, this is an awesome proposal. MetaMask will prompt to send the message, and the comment will be created. If for any reason the comment can be created, then the app will show us an error. Now, if we, for example, update, we have the comment that we created, and we can keep creating more comments. But let's go back to the Demooncracy main proposal, that is to see the proposals, second them, and vote them. Let's start by Moonbase. So for each network, we have these 6 options. We have proposals, we have referenda, we have the treasury proposals, the council proposals, the technical committee proposals, and also a way to remove the democracy locks. Let's start by treasury, and we can see we have all the treasury proposals that have been on Moonbase. Let's check a random one, and we can see the information for this proposal: the status, the proposer address, the beneficiary, and the timeline. On the menu, we can go to the different sections of the application. Let's go back to Moonbase. Let's check the council. There are no active proposals, so we can check for any of them. I think that the same happened for the technical committee. I didn't click. Okay. If we go to the technical committee, we have the same. We have no proposal for Moonbase. And let's see the proposals. On the proposal sections, we see all the proposals that have been made on the blockchain that we selected. Not only the ones that are active, but also the ones that have not passed or the ones that have been cancelled. For example, let's check the last one, and we can see the proposal information. We can see the proposal data, the information of the pre-image, including the params, and the timeline. In addition to that, if the proposer is connected, he will be able to update this description. So everyone will be able to know more about this proposal. But for people that is not the proposer, they can second this proposal. Let's, for example, connect our wallet and try to second this proposal. Now this will depend on the congestion of the network to complete. But right now the transaction is being sent, and we are seconding the proposal. Okay, the transaction has been completed. Now the proposal has been seconded by our account. Let's go to check the referenda. Same as proposals, we have all the referendums that have been made on the blockchain, including the ones that are active and the ones that are not active. Let's go to check to the last one. And same as with proposals, if the connected wallet is the proposer, he will be able to edit this description to allow everyone to know more about this referendum. We also have the data, the information of the image, and the timeline of this referendum. And in addition to that, we have a box to vote this proposal. And we have the vote and the with and without conviction, and the turnout. So let's, for example, vote aye with one dev, and let's lock it for 2 days. So we can check the transaction on the Block Explorer because it has been sent. But for now, let's wait until it has been completed. The transaction has been completed, and in a few minutes, if we refresh the page, we will be able to see our votes on this proposal, how they have been added. And last, and the last to show for the Demooncracy app is the ability to remove democracy locks. Here we have a little explanation of what democracy locks are, and this section shows you the current democracy locks that we can remove. So we can unlock the tokens. For example, let's unlock the tokens for this democracy lock. And for this transaction, I'm using the Moonbeam batch precompile, so I can batch both transactions to unlock the tokens, because if you try to remove the tokens without remove the votes of the referendum, it won't work. So after this transaction, I should have 0.001 more depth, because the democracy lock will have been unlocked. And let's wait for the transaction to complete. Okay, the transaction has been completed. We see that we have now this concrete amount more on our account, so the democracy lock has been unlocked. And that's all for democracy locks. If we update the page and connect our wallet again, we will only see the current democracy locks that we have. And that's all for my Demooncracy application. I hope you like it, and I hope that the video didn't take too much time. Thank you everyone for watching me. Bye.